What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Here we're going to be doing some more unboxings, old school style, but today we're going to be unboxing the Scarlett 2i2 from Focusrite, PodMic from Rode, and the Cloudlifter from Cloud Microphones, I guess? I don't know, but we're here about to unbox these, getting my setup going, my podcast streaming thing set up. So we're gonna do these in one video. Let's get it. Let's start with this one. So here we have the Cloudlifter CL-1 mic activator. Give your mic a little bit of gain. I don't have my scissors. Where are they? Don't need. Alright. Come on. More tape over here. Let's go. So, this is supposed to give you more power, I think, more gain to your mic so that it can sound louder. With the mic, with the PodMic here, they say you don't really need it, but it does help quite a bit. So I went ahead and got it anyways, and just to see what's going on. Your guide to cloud lifting right here. Some foil little stuff here, Velcro strap, keep them cables nice and tidy. Yeah, that's all that's in there. Then here it is. This is actually pretty big, bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be something like, I don't know, smaller than this. This is pretty big. So here we have XLR. Not much of an unboxing on that one. Truthfully, I don't have much more to say on it. I'm not an audiophile or videographer or anything like that. All these things I get because I watch YouTube videos. So we're gonna put it to the test. See what's going on, see how it works. Pretty heavy. Nice little metal construction. Cloud microphones, Cloudlifter, the CL-1 mic activator. Let's put that here to the side. Let's move on to the Scarlett 2i2. This is should be the 3rd gen. Doesn't say. Yeah. The 3rd generation 2 in, 2 out USB audio interface. Boom. Let's get it. I don't know what happened to my scissors. It disappeared. But it's okay. We got this. So we have here the your Scarlett experience starts here. Here's the Connect Scarlett, and then more stuff here, but that doesn't matter. Oh, this is small. Now this one here I thought was gonna be bigger. This one I thought was gonna be small. What do we have here? Some important notifications. Doobity-doops, doo-doo-doo-doops. We'll set that over there. We also got a USB to USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C included in the box. This is nice. Favorite color red. This is perfect. Let's go ahead and get it out of this plastic. There we go. Got some more silica gel from the plastic there. Look at this. This is pretty. So we have here 2 XLR inputs. You can also do, I think it's a 6.5 headphone jack in there. I think that's what it is. Also has the gain knob for this one, the gain knob for this input. It has INST, it has the air button, direct monitor mono, direct monitor stereo, 48 volt phantom button right up here, the volume to monitor, headphone jacks so you can monitor your audio, and this is the volume here. Guessing for the USB, I'm actually not 100% sure what this one does. I thought this was the main volume here. I'm not 100% sure, but I sure will figure it out once I get testing to it. Let's look around the back here. We have Kingston block. Here's the USB-C plugged into your computer, and 2 line outputs, right and left. So let's go ahead and set that here next to the Cloudlifter. Let's get to the PodMic. Oh, well, there's tape on here too, so that would be a good idea. Oh my goodness, I cut my nails about 2 days ago, and so it kind of hurts. There's one on here too, but let's see if we can push it. Come on. There we go. Just get our nails right under there. Ta-da! Now we should be able to slide this back on. So this is the PodMic from Rode. We have here, it says internal pop filter, broadcast quality, rugged build, 2-year warranty. Mic. Ooh, fancy. Wow, this thing is heavy. We have the quick start guide right here, in case you guys need it. We have some silica gel still here, and that is it. So as you can see here, we have the PodMic. It's dirty, but yeah, so it says Rode right here. This is an all metal construction. Here's the built-in pop filter, I'm guessing. This mic just looks really nice. Now I did watch a lot of videos on it, and this is the one that I ended up going with. So hope you like it. Here we have the XLR input, made in Australia. Wow, this thing is heavy. I didn't think it was gonna be this heavy. Like, no joke. It says PodMic right there. So, I mean, I really have nothing much else to say about this, but let's get it. Can't wait to get it connected with this and this. Test it out. Probably maybe try to use it on the next video here. This is the only mic I have for now. We'll test it out on the next video. We'll check it out. So let's go ahead and end it here. Let's set it right here. So we have here the Cloudlifter, the Scarlett 2i2, and the Rode PodMic. I want to thank you guys for watching this unboxing of these 3 items. pretty excited to get them up and running. Let's see what we get in these podcasts going sometime pretty soon here. Make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also that bell notification so that you can know when the next videos are coming out. Peace.